Say this as an individual. I don't know what God holds for anybody, and in particular him. But if I look at who he has been, what he has been, and what he has done, from mathematical point of view, I could see a clear straight line moving up from nothingness to being a member of the House, to being a Speaker of the House, to being a governor, to being a minister. And if this trend had been maintained over time, my wish for him, as his loyalist, is that the sky should be his limit in politics.
Thank you, sir.
Just one question from me, sir.
All right.
ADC coming on board as a coalition body is seeming to be the main opposition. So what ADC is coming, what will be your message as a way of playing fair in this coming election in 2027?
I don't need to advise APC to prepare to build a solid foundation that will give any other party a good fight.
Thank you. Thank you.